Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to take you really quickly through how I tidied up the kitchen immediately after we had breakfast leftovers for Thanksgiving, from our Thanksgiving. So yeah, if you're new here, I'm Kristi. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join me here on this journey. That over there, little handsome guy, is my grandson. Say hi, Daryl. Well, let's get into it. The look on my face says it all about me having to tackle this kitchen after we had our breakfast that consisted of our Thanksgiving dinner leftovers. It's such a great tradition, so I definitely don't mind it. But yeah, I had to get this game face on and just let this kitchen know who is in charge. Do you have a similar tradition in your home where you definitely know that the next day you will be eating your leftovers as breakfast, or do you just save it for maybe dinner later on that day? Let me know in the comment section. I'd love to know. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this kitchen clean.
It's the spirit of the season.
The first thing I typically like to do is just declutter and put the things away that can be put away. It's sometimes easier to start with the dishes, but in this case, as you can see, like the counters were cluttered, and I literally have anxiety when I see too much clutter, so I had to get rid of that stuff first.
Stripes and cares, give the here and now.
I love this fragrance. I think it's Mrs. Meyer's, and it's a elderberry or something. I'll leave it in the description box, but it smells so good, and I think it's a limited edition, so I bought like 3 bottles of it last time I ordered from Grove Collaborative, just so I don't run out of it. It's just one of those fragrances. It's not too floral, but it has sort of a masculine scent too. It is definitely my favorite. So guys, I keep rinsing off this rag because I notice when I don't, there's a sticky residue left behind even after I've wiped it several times. So when I'm using a rag, I typically do that. But other times, that is why I like to use paper towels with some of my cleanings, because I just feel like it picks it up a little bit better as opposed to just spreading the concentrated product back over the countertop when you're using a rag. I usually like lighting a candle once I'm finished with my cleaning as sort of my reward. But since my grandson is here and he likes to run around, we're just going to go with the diffuser, which is just as nice. In this blend, I had lemon, tangerine, and eucalyptus. Do you use your diffuser at home a lot? If so, what's your favorite fragrance? So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. It was really quick, really simple, just to get all of the dishes put away from Thanksgiving. And now I get to relax for a little bit and decorate our tree. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do that now. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.